Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how I did the thing right here. How I did this. How I made that video into there. You can do this with a lot of stuff. This was a video I made. I guess I deleted it. How I made this. So, what you have to do is first create a movie. But you can't just create one out of nowhere. You have to have a template. So I use Fonto. I do this. I do plain image. I click this one where it's just plain. And what I do is I go to color. And then I did this one, and this one. I click apply, do this, use, and then what you do is you go to the 3 lines as shown right there, and you don't go to the, I'm stupid. You click the thing, you click it, and you click add text. Then what you want to do is just type in what you want. Subscribe and subscribe right here. Then what you want, I'm going to do tilt, size, lower that down a little more, about in the corner, that's what I do always, and hit the bell. Done. And you want another tilt with this size, about smaller than that. Right now I'm not going to worry about anything. Now what you can do is you can go here, plain image, or no. Go here, add image, and you could add this, JPNG, whatever it's called, and it always pops up like that. I don't know why. But you could add that, and then, but I'm not. So what you want to do is click this, click the, what's it called? The share thing. You save to files, go here, go to movie, go back, video, or no, but yeah, you can go on video or whatever. Actually, no, you cannot, I don't know. Photos, I am stupid. You go and you click the one that you need. You create movie, and as you can see, it does this. To cancel that, you just click on this and turn that off. Now what you want to do is you can move it from up here. So I'm moving it up here, not down here. You click on it and you move it. So I'm going to click that and move it there. Now what you want to do is this. So once you did everything, you created you did this, you want to click this, video, recently added, and then there's this. So this is the one I did for all these. Subscribe, hit the bell. I'm probably going to use that in my intro again. You don't want to click the plus sign, that just puts it over it. But you want to click this right here. You click that and picture in picture. So once you made the screen recording of what you wanted to do, you click that, resize that, and there. You see? So you can put that down here. And then what you can do as well is you click on it, you do this, resize it, keep it there, and boom. Now my thing is like very weird. Yeah, it just does that. It doesn't even show the full video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna extend this length, move this over here, and then you play it, and there you go. So that's how you make that. You can also do the font and all that, and boom, done. Then you do I will click right here and just do intro or something, and yeah, you made it. That's all you do.